drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor early in the morning?
Here we are.
On the beach.
Well, I should have been working on the boat this past week, but this is probably one of the first days I've seen even a glimpse of sunshine, and it's very blustery today. This past week I've been working mostly on my office slash art studio renovation, mainly because we've had several days of rain and the ground is all saturated. It's very soft and muddy, and it's not much fun working outside. Today is Wednesday, the 31st of March, last day of the month, and yesterday, even though it was a little bit overcast, it was clear enough where my wife and I decided we just had to get out of the house. And so we went down to a couple of the local beaches and walked around a little bit. Both of these areas are only within a few minutes of our house. Essentially it's our backyard, so I thought I'd show you a few clips. I took my GoPro with me, and I'll just show you a little bit of the area that we live in. And it's a nice area. If you have a small trailer sailor sailboat, it'd be easy to come up here, drop it in the water, and go for a sail, and you can go gunk-holing, exploring all over the place, and have a good time. So let me show it to you. There was an awful lot of wind yesterday, and this little GoPro picks up that wind noise like you wouldn't believe. And you're probably hearing some now because it's a little blustery today. So I think I'm just going to put a little music on the video so you don't have to listen to all the wind noise. If we didn't have so much wind, you'd hear the little waves crashing up on the shore, and that's always soothing. But the wind noise just kind of ruins it. Thanks for watching.
something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time